If there's one thing you gotta know about me, it's that I love tabletop RPGs. The most common of these kinds of games is Dungeons & Dragons, or D&D, most of which are composed of a group of players and their dungeon master, the person who guides the playthrough, putting the players in the role of adventurers as they travel a make-believe world and create epic tales. With the effect of the pandemic, the state of our games are mostly held online. Convenient yet enjoyable, it's fun, but it doesn't beat the real-life experience. So when one of our talented players, who's based in Singapore at the moment, decided to come home to the Philippines, we immediately bit the bullet when she offered her place to host one of our games. There's just one catch though. She lives in Baguio City, about 250 kilometers and around 6 hours of land travel from Metro Manila. Alright, G. It was around 9 in the evening when we officially started our trip, arriving in Baguio at around 3 a.m. Our lovely cast of characters include myself, Jacob, Pat, Chloe, and Steph, whose birthday just came up, which gave us another reason to push through. Chloe had also just finished her licensure exams and needed to take her mind off of things. All in all, we really needed this trip, and that wouldn't be possible without Ate Faye. After she hosted our 7-hour one-shot game, and yes, it really takes that long, don't at me, we said our thanks and goodbyes to her and her family as we went back to our stay. But if there's anything I've learned from playing and conducting a fantasy experience, it's that what adventure would be complete without doing some side quests?
Oh! Hello po! What up?
Bigyan mo ng barya para umalik.
Wait lang, nasaan yung message? Congrats, Chloe! So, Architect Chloe na ba ito? Yeah! Yes! Architect Claude! Yo! Yeah! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Yes!
Architect?
Ay, sorry po, di pala po dapat high five, dapat pala po. Architect, yes, yes po, yes po.
In a way, we were having our own D&D story. 5 adventurers who sought out a friend from a faraway mountain. The journey took all they had, but in the end, it wasn't slaying a dragon nor finding some hidden treasure, but it was the time they spent together, with the little wins they celebrated each day, that made it all worth it. 'Cause now, 250 kilometers and a 6-hour drive doesn't sound so far away, now that they've grown closer to each other.
That was hella cheesy.